Hello everyone, my name is Kai and I'm a professional trader. So today we're going to talk about another 3 interesting indicators just like most of the time. So make sure that you stay tuned up to the end of the video. So right now let's go direct into trading. Hello, so right now let's go direct into setting up like the market. So let's go and here let's choose like the indicators that we're going to work with. So these are the indicators that I'm going to work with, and then let's go on stock. So these are the ones that I'm going to choose today, and let's go into the currencies, and then I'm going to choose these currencies because at least if you can see they actually have a high payout like 92%. So here let's go into the envelope, and then let's go on the period, you put it to 10, and then here on the source high, and I think that's all. And then let's go to the colors. Let's choose the colors that we're going to work with. So I'm going to work with these colors. So, and then let's go into the MACD, and then fast period, and then slow period, just like that. And let's going to change the slow period, and then the signal period, we'll put it to 4. And then the style here, let's also change the colors that you're going to work with, and done. And then let's go to the last one, which is the CCI. The period, put it to 6, and then let's choose the colors. At least they should be different from these other indicators. At least it should be really easy for me to see, and that's it. I think now I've actually done everything, and then now the only thing that is remaining is for us to actually go direct into trading. So right now let's go direct into our first trade. So let's just put the amount that we're going to start with, which is like $100, and then let's place on sale. So our entry point was here, as you can see, and we have actually placed our sell on down, like our trade on down. And then now let's wait a bit. I think it's a bit constant here, but as you can see, it has started to go down. So that's how it is. This is my strategy. This is how I most of the time do when I want to start trading. As you can see, this is my old strategy. You can also do the same as well. If you feel like you're confused about something, all you can do is just text me on my Telegram, or let's wait a bit. I think now like the market, it actually started going up, but as you can see now it has continued to go down, and we just have about 10 seconds remaining, so we can just wait. And I think we're gonna win this one because we have already won. As you can see, it's just about 2 seconds remaining, and there we have made our first money. We've made about $192 just like that. So right now we can actually go into our next trade. So right now let's go into our next trade. So let's just increase the amount here to $250, and then this time we're going to place it on buy. So as you can see, we have actually placed on buy, and the market has actually started going down. Yeah, like let's just wait a bit. I think we still have more time, about 40 seconds, so we can just chill and wait a bit. So let's just have confidence, and I believe in this strategy because it always works. And yeah, like there's some times where you can actually have losses, and losses are actually part of trading. And as you can see now, it has actually started to increase, and then now it's going down. So like I said earlier, like losses are just part of trading. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but make sure that you believe in the strategies that you actually use. And I'm going to believe that we're going to actually make this thing right. As you can see, the market is now going up as predicted exactly, and I think we're gonna win. And there we have made our second profit, which is about $480. I was actually really scared. I thought we were gonna lose this trade. We almost lost, but the market was actually continuing going up, which was exactly as predicted. So right now we can actually now go into our next trade. So right now let's go into our next trade. Here we're gonna choose Apple, and then here let's increase the amount to $400, and then let's place our trade on sale. We have placed our trade on sale, and the market is actually going up. I don't know why these things are continuing happening. Like every time I actually choose the entry point, if it's sell, it's actually started to go opposite. But let's just wait a bit. we still have more time again like the previous trade, so we can just wait. And there the market is now going down, as you can see, as predicted. So in case you have like troubles with all this, all you have to do, you can just text me on my Telegram channel, and there I give free signals every day, and I can be able to advise you in some of the things of how you can actually improve your skills like in trading. So I think these indicators today, they have really helped, as you can see, and the market will continue to go down. We just have like 5 seconds remaining, so let's just wait a bit, and I believe you're gonna win. And there I've made another money, like $768 just like that. And you can also do the same as well. So right now, let's go into our next trade. So let's go into our next trade. So here, let's again increase the amount like the previous one to 750, and then let's place it on sale. And at least this time, after placing on sale, the market is actually going down. Like the previous one, after placing on sale, the market started going opposite, and I was really terrified. But at least this time, the market, as you can see, is actually going down, and it's actually going down really rapidly. So we can just wait, and we still have some more time. So as you can see, you can also do the same thing as well. As you can see from these indicators, how they're showing. From the CCI is showing that the market is actually going up, going down, as you can see, the yellow line. And also from the MACD is also showing the same, the red and the green line. They're all showing that the market is actually going down. So which is actually was a sign for me that the market was actually continue going down. That's why I've actually placed my trade on sale. And I think I'm gonna win this one again, because we just have like 5 seconds remaining, and there's no way the market will go up. And there we've made about $1,425 just like that. I think today is actually a good day. So let's actually go into our next trade. So right now, let's go into our last trade. So let's just increase the amount to 1,300, and let's place our trade on buy. So right now we've placed our trade on buy, and we actually have 3 indicators which has actually helped us in everything so far. And I think now the market has actually started to go down like the previous trade, and I think we can just wait because we still have more time. And I believe that our strategy is gonna work like the way it has been working from the previous like trades that we have been having. So let's just wait a bit. So if I talk about trading, one of the things that you need to focus on is consistency. You just need to be consistent on these things, and also make sure that you study the market before you start trading. And that's the most important thing, because some of the people, they just go direct into trading without seeing how the market has been moving for actually a long period of time. So right now, let's just wait a bit. I think we still have more time. We can win this one. And there we've made again our profit. We've made about $2,054 just like that. And you can also do the same as well. Just like you saw from our previous trade, today the market was actually really interesting. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you haven't yet actually join to my Telegram channel, make sure that you join, because there I post free signals every day. So for now, it's bye-bye. See you next time.